Hey everybody, my name is Michael McClintock, and today I would like to teach you how to play So Nice or Summer Samba. We're going to open up on an F major 9 for 2 measures. Then we're going to come down to a B minor 7 to an E7 with a flat 9. And that's going to go to a B flat major 7 for 2 measures. And then I'm going to go to a B flat minor 6 for 2 measures. And that's going to bring us to the first ending, which is A minor 7, D7 flat 9, G minor 7, and we're going to come up to an E minor 7 flat 5, to an A7 flat 13, and then we're going to come down to a D minor 9, to a G13, to a G minor 7, and then the little D flat 7, C7 move. Now we're going to go back to the F major 9, 2 measures, B minor 7, E7 flat 9, to a B flat major 7, 2 measures there, and then B flat minor 6, 2 measures there, and this is going to take us to the second ending, which is A minor 7 as well, D7 flat 9, G minor 7, C7 with a flat 9, and then I'm going to come back up to an F major 9, to a B flat 13, and then I'm going to end on an F6. Nice and slow, it'll sound like this. If this lesson's been helpful to you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving me a like. I really appreciate it.